Good afternoon. This video provides a tutorial how to set up a predictive dialer. Predictive dialer allows you to call a large volume of numbers quickly, and time provides almost 100% load of operators at the same time. To start calling, you need to go to the predictive dialer section, Campaigns, and press Add Campaign. Create a campaign name. In the drop-down list, select the server depending on the destination of your calls. Choose the type of dialer. Predictive dialer. The system generates several calls per operator based on the average duration of the call, the probability of the response, and other parameters. The connection with the operator occurs only when the client responds. Calls are generated in advance. While the operator is still processing the previous calls, the operator constantly processes calls. Progressive dialer. The system generates several calls per operator based on the value of the average duration of the call and connects the operator only when the client responds. After each call, the operator has some time to process the call, for example, to fill in the data in the CRM. Select caller ID. This is a phone number that will be displayed on the client's device. You can purchase a number in the phone number section. In the maximum waiting time field, you can set the time during which an attempt to dial the client will occur. Next, you can set the number of attempts to dial your client and set the interval between each attempt. In the Sorting Tasks field, you can set up sorting of campaigns tasks by three parameters: priority, attempts, order creation date. You can turn on call recorder if you need. Your campaign is done. Press Save. Next, you need to create operators who will call your customer base. Go to the Operator section. Click Create Operators. Create unique login for operator. Create a password for operator. The password length must be at least 6 characters. Select the server from the drop-down list on which the operator will work. The server must be the same as the campaign's one. Press Save. The operator has been created. Activate the operator by clicking on the switch in the status field. Next, you need to add operators to the campaign. Go to Campaign section, click on the action. Select the Operator Management action. In the opened window, in the drop-down list, select the operators you want to add to the campaign. Press Save. Your campaign has been set up. Operators are linked. Now you can proceed to adding tasks for calling. Click on the campaign name. You'll be taken to the list of campaign tasks. Tasks can be added to the campaign manually or transmitted via API. If you want to add task manually, click Create a task. In a window that opens, specify the customer number to which you want to make a call. If you want a specific number to be displayed on the client's device, you can select the number in the caller ID field. If you don't specify this number, the client will see the number selected in the campaign settings. You can specify the priority of created task. Tasks with high priority are called first. Using Postpone setting, you can specify the date when it's necessary to make a call on a task. The task has been created. Press Save. After launching the campaign, you can monitor its work and the work of your operator. To do this, select Monitoring from the Action menu. The top panel displays general information about the campaign, which operators are connected to the campaign, in which statuses are the tasks, the current indicators of the campaign parameters. In the Tasks block, all the campaign tasks will be displayed and highlighted in a certain color depending on the current status of the task. In the Room block, the client's conversations with your operators will be displayed. You can see the current time of the call. Also, if the operator disconnects from a call, a timer will appear for the time when the operator is absent from the conversation. In the Operator section, you can see all the operators participating in this campaign and what statuses they are in.